Just don't do an ab crunch. That's all I'm asking. Yeah, use your back, not your ab. So fucking dramatic. I just know I didn't go down. I know that. I know that much.
I went down on the advice of counsel.
Sal lifting light ass weight because he don't know how to do the heavy shit right. That
Just hold the fucking side.
I am holding it. Let's go.
Yeah, hold it.
Let's go. It's heavy weight, so this shit moves. Come on.
Fuck off.
What is this? 150? Oh, this light ass weight. The hell?
What is it? Fuck you.
160. I knew something fell off. You about to tip the damn machine. Put that shit on 50 like you had it last week. 50-pound jumper is crazy work, bro. That's like a year worth of work for me. That only took you a week. You feel different.